This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Saira Caffarelli. You will fall in love with this 3-year young townhome with tasteful upgrades in the Gallery subdivision. Come see all this 3-bedroom 2.5 bath has to offer. This home features an open floor plan with luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the main level, recessed lighting, granite countertops, kitchen island, pantry, stainless steel appliances, pendant lighting, stainless steel appliances, back patio and outside attached storage shed. The upstairs offers a large owner's suite with a walk-in closet, owner's bath with dual vanities, luxury large tiled shower and seat with glass door. Down the hallway you'll find 2 additional spacious bedrooms and a shared bathroom with dual vanities. This gorgeous home also has upgraded window treatments throughout and still feels brand new. Come see this one today and welcome home. For more information